sorry, I by accident hit end, so we're going to mesh these videos together. So it's a hexagon. We have 1 hexagon each, so we have 3 hexagons. So we're adding 6 3 times. I want you to think, what is the multiplication sentence that should go with that? You should be thinking, Miss Johanna, that is 3 times 6. Because we're adding 6 3 times. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. That's a repeated addition equation. So say it with me. Ready? Say this with me. Multiplication is repeated addition. Now you say it. Multiplication is repeated addition. You're adding the same thing each time. Okay? Turning you back this way. I'm going to put our calendar card back. I want you guys to make some predictions. What is our card going to look like for Saturday and Sunday? When we come to school live on Monday and we flip those cards over, I want you guys to be thinking, what is the calendar marker going to say? Okay. Now I need you guys to get out your number corner packet. If you don't have any more room for a new problem string, that is okay. I'm sorry, I got to scoot you up. That's okay if you don't have any more room. And if that's the case, you can just get out your math notebook. It's a spiral math notebook. We haven't used it yet. You can get that out and you can do your work inside there. The problem string we have today is 48 plus 84. What I'd like you guys to do first is I'd like you to pause the video and I'd like you to solve 48 plus 84 using whatever strategy you like to use at home. So if you like to stack them and solve. If you like to use a number line, use a number line and solve. If you like to break them up by place value, use a place value, break them up and solve. But we're going to go through each strategy together, and you're probably like, oh, Ms. Johanna, we talked about this all week. But that's because the more we see this, the better we become, okay? So let's take a look and add this together. The first way I'm going to do that is the old-fashioned way that Ms. Johanna always says it's the old-fashioned way, and it's the stack 'em up kind. So I'm going to say 49 plus 84, and I'm going to make sure I have them lined up correctly by place value, and I'm going to ask myself, what's the first step in adding a 2-digit number? And I always say start with the ones. So cover up everything but the ones. What is 9 plus 4? It's 13. So I have 3 ones, and I got to carry my 10. The second step in adding a 2-digit number is move to the tens. I'm going to cover up everything but the tens place. What is 4 plus 1? That's 5 plus 8 more is 13. Our answer is 133. Now, if that's not your favorite way to add, that's okay. Let's try a different strategy. The next strategy we're going to use, so this is the first strategy we could use. The second strategy we're going to use today is a number line, okay? It's sliding down on me again. A number line, okay? So I need to draw a number line. Okay. Now, I need to put my numbers on my number line. So I have 49 here. The next thing I have to ask myself is what? I want you to be thinking about it. What's my next step? Well, I took care of 49. Now I need to say, what is 84 made up of? It's made up of 80 and 4. Now I have to see how many tens I need to jump. I need to jump 8 tens. So 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have to label so I know what I'm jumping. So let's count them again, make sure I'm good. I got 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 tens. So I took care of this, and I have to count 4 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be thinking in your head, is she done? Well, no, I don't have my answer yet. I have to label. So let's look. I'm at 49 and I jump by 10. I'm at 59, jump a 10, 69, I jump a 10, 79, jump a 10, 89, jump a 10, 99. Let's pause. This is where it sometimes gets tricky because we're going to jump into the hundreds. So we need to make sure we keep our tens correct, right? So count with me. 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. Count to 10, 109. Another 10, 119. Another 10, 129. Now counting ones. 130, 131, 132, 133. Wow! Did we get to the same answer that we got to over here? 133? 133. It's the same thing. Got the same answer. And the last way I can solve this using a problem string for today, and I'm going to scoot it up so I have some more room, and I use a different color, is I could solve my problem string using this strategy. Number 3, we got 49 plus 84, and I could break it into their place value. So I asked myself, what is 49 made out of? It's made out of a 40 and a 9. 84 is made up of 80 and 4. Now I need to put my 10s together and my 1s together. 40 plus 80 equals something, and 9 plus 4 equals something. Well, I know 4 and 8 is 12, and then I got to bring over my 0, so that's 120. 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay? So now I'm adding 2 friendly numbers. I'm adding 120 plus 13. 3, 3, 1. And you should be saying, did we get the same answer? And yes, we did. We got 133, 133, 133. So, again, is it okay that you use the strategy that works for you? Yes, I want you to. So today I want you to solve this problem string. I want you to solve 49 plus 84 using whatever strategy works for you, and I can't wait to see what strategy you're choosing. Have a great day, guys.